Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong New Moon in Virgo ngayong September 15, 2023 at 9:39 a.m. Philippine Standard Time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng new moon sa inyong lugar. Ayan, this is also a good time to manifest your desires dahil meron tayong new moon. New moon is about new beginnings. Ayan. So ang pinaka-tema ng New Moon in Virgo is learning new techniques. So pag-aaral, no? Knowledge, mga bagong kaalaman na magpapaunlad sa iyong sarili. So, ang opportunity dito is how are you going to take practical actions doon sa mga goals mo sa buhay. Oo. Na yung siniset mo ba na goal ay achievable ba siya or masyadong mahirap na ikaw mismo parang madidiscourage kang gawin? Or kailangan mong magkaroon ng adjustment na, teka, unti-unti lang. Kasi makakarating ka rin naman doon. So, practical actions, realistic na mga solution sa problema mo. And yung iba, merong mga iso-sort out na mga backlog, no? Ibig sabihin, mga matatagal mo nang hindi hinaharap na problema or ina-actionan or ina-asikaso. So, ngayon, aayusin mo na yan. And the goal is, how are you going to create stronger boundaries? Yung pagsiset ng boundaries para hindi ka ma-take advantage ng ibang tao. And of course, how are you going to be adaptable sa mga unexpected change, yung mga biglaang pagbabago. So, kailangan ready ka. Oo, alam mo kung paano ka magre-react sa mga unexpected change. So, for you, Libra, ang new moon ay nasa inyong 12th house, which is about endings, your subconscious, your spirituality, your undoings. So, maaring maging emotional para to sa inyo, no, Libra. Lalo na sa mga Libra rising. Oo. Kasi 12th house is medyo spiritual yung energy nito, and this is also dealing with your mental health. So that's why kung if you're feeling heavy, feeling down, ganyan. So take a step back, magpahinga muna. Relax lang, no? I suggest na you focus on taking care of your health and having vacation, ganon, para makaiwas sa stress. Kasi pwedeng magkaroon ka ng mga stressful situation during this time, related sa health mo, sa kalusugan mo. Or, kasi 6th house kasi is also about work, yung day-to-day routine mo, yung mga lagi mo nakakasama sa araw-araw or ginagawa mo sa araw-araw. So, some of you maaring magkaroon ng tension between you and your coworker. So, maging maingat na lang sa mga bibitawang salita para para maiwasan yung miscommunication, kasi Mercury is still in retrograde, no, which is in your 12th house. So some of you Virgo, pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng ng mga nightmares, or yung parang masyadong vivid yung mga dreams ninyo to the point na naaalala nyo kung ano yung dreams ninyo. Some of you medyo nahihirapan makatulog, no? So that's why you have to take practical actions para ma-address mo yon. So, syempre kung alam mo na nga nahihirapan ka matulog, lalo ka pa magpupuyat or gagawa ka pa ng mga bagay or kakain ka ng mga bagay, iinom ka ng mga bagay na lalo kang magigising. So, taking practical actions, ikaw na rin yung mag-attend sa sarili mo na, uminom ka ng mga nakakakalma na inumin, no? Halimbawa, chamomile tea, ganon. And also have a massage. Magpamasahe ka para ma-relax ka. And maagang matulog. Yung mga ganon. So, pwede kasing maka-apekto yan sa inyo. Yung overthinking. You might, overthink things in your life. Especially if you are going through, changes pagdating sa relationship mo. Excuse me. And also related sa bahay, no? But I think I am seeing parang yung tinatawag nila na blessing in disguise. Merong matatapos na can be a chapter in your life, can be a friendship connection or trabaho, career, kontrata, no? Na it is meant to end para may magbukas ulit na opportunity for you. And mas magiging maganda yon for you. Mas magdadala to ng mas maraming blessings sa'yo. Okay, with Jupiter here. And some of you, pwedeng may natatransform, may nagbabago sa bahay ninyo. Pwedeng may renovation kayo sa bahay, or meron kayong redecoration ng bahay or paglipat ng bahay kasi may transformation dito. Okay, so let us see what else. I'm also seeing support from your loved ones, no? Your family. And yung iba sa inyo, Libra, maaaring merong unexpected connection with someone sexually. Okay? You have the 8 of Wands. Meron kayong minamadali. Ano tong minamadali nyo? Pag-travel? Ooh. So, some of you, Libra, pwedeng meron kayong marireceive na message from someone na medyo malayo sa'yo. Can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Oh my God, I'm seeing merong magkakaanak or manganganak, magkaka-baby. Okay. Oo, ganon. Parang meron, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong makikilala na can be a soulmate connection sa pag-travel ninyo. If you are looking for a romantic partner. So, just make sure na hinay-hinay lang, no, sa connection with someone kasi baka mabigla kayo. But this is a very it's like a happy connection with someone eh. Parang you will be spending your time with your loved ones and with a new person. Baka ito yung new opportunity sa inyo, relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.